everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and I'm going to be showing you how to create this very wearable red eyeshadow look today. And yeah, if you're interested in seeing what products I used and how I used them, then just keep watching. Don't forget to check out a giveaway I have open on my channel right now. It is international and it is 9 different products. So yeah, it'll be on an end card at the end of this video, and it will also be on one of my recent videos. If you want to click on my channel and see what my recent videos are, it will be under there. Alright, I'm going to be doing a voiceover on this part, and the first thing I'm going in with is this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Fair Neutral. And I like to use this as an eyeshadow base every once in a while, but not always. And I'm just using a small eyeshadow brush that I have in my collection, and I'm smearing it with that, and then I'm going over it with my beauty sponge just to make sure everything was set in place just right with no creases. And then I'm going in with the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm using the color Red Orchard, and I'm just packing it on the lid at first, and then I'm going to blend it out with the same eyeshadow brush after I wipe it off real quick, and it's going to look really grungy, but we will clean that up in a minute. To clean it up, I'm using the Burt's Bees Micellar Cleansing Towelettes 3-in-1. Basically, all I do to clean it up is start from the outside edges, making that eye angle more precise, and yeah. And then maybe cleaning up the inner eye just a little bit. And sometimes when I accidentally clean up a little too much, I'll just go in with that same color and kind of add it on to the spots that I wiped away a little too much. And then I'll just do the same process until I'm pretty much comfortable with what it looks like. I'll go in with more eyeshadow, then I'll wipe it off again, then I'll go in more eyeshadow and wipe it off again until I'm satisfied with the look. And then I'm going in with this Tarte Confidence Creamy Powder Foundation in the color Fair Light Neutral. And I'm putting this on my brow bone area just to make it where it's not such an intense red, and it actually works out better that way. And then I'm using the LA Colors Graphics Eyeliner. I got mine from my local Dollar General, and I'm just doing my cat eye with it. This is a great eyeliner. I really love it. It's really good at staying put where you put it. Then I'm going in with the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in the color Swerve, and I'm just doing my eyeline with it. And then I'm going in with my Kix Daring False Lash Mascara. And I'm mostly just doing my bottom lashes here just because I'm going to go in with some falsies. Next, I am going in with the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. This is the clear one. And I'm using the lashes I got from Wish. It is the brand WLEEC Beauty. There was 80 pairs of lashes, and I believe I paid like 15 bucks for them. Now I'm going back into the Modern Renaissance palette and using that same color we used before, and the color Red Orchard, and I'm just using my smudge brush at first, and then I'm going in with like a highlighter brush that is more just easier to blend out and smudge. Then I'm going in with the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in the color Flexitarian, and then lastly I will be using the Milani setting spray to set it all in. Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed that very wearable red eyeshadow look. This one I am wearing today. I hope you enjoyed it. It's very easy and it's just one eyeshadow. The key thing is to blend, blend, blend and clean up afterwards. But I hope you enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget about checking out that giveaway that I have the card right here somewhere on the screen. It will also be under, if you click on my channel and then look under my videos, it will be one of the more recent ones within this month. So just click over there and check out that video so you will be able to enter that giveaway. But yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!